It's so nice to wake up in the morning and find the kitchen all clean. You know what else is nice? Having the house done. Hey guys, Sophia here from my great challenge. I have no idea which day of the week it is. Well, I know it's Saturday, but I don't know the date. I think it's the 9th. Wait, 7. Yeah, it's the 9th. Saturday the 9th of November. And the house is done. It's been done since Thursday. You already saw the video with the columns being finished. I cleaned the kitchen yesterday night on Friday because I got to go home early. I was in Philadelphia on Thursday, spent literally the entire day down there visiting patients who were transported to other hospitals. It's a hike, okay, to go to Philadelphia. There's some people who actually do Philadelphia, New York every day. I don't know how to do it. I spent 6 hours in the car, plus the back and forth in between. But anyway, so I got to come home early on Friday, which is usually my late night, one of my late nights. So I was like, let me clean the kitchen. And I did that last night. It's a great feeling. So what am I doing today? Other than showing you what the house looks like, you're wondering what is going on with this getup, right? I'm working in the yard today. I have to clean the yard, the deck, the front, the back, pick up possible screws and nails that these guys left behind. They did a pretty good job cleaning up. I mean, they have all of the stuff out. There's no pieces and bits of siding or foam or anything. But I need to winterize the yard. So it's probably going to be several videos because there's no way I'm finishing this today. I have the weekend. So I'll do the back, then I'll do the deck, then I'll do the front. So it's probably going to be 3 videos. Of me winterizing my yard. There's not much I can do in this yard, you know that, right? I had this grandiose idea that maybe I was going to do the French trench, but no, the drain, the ground is already almost frozen. It's 26 degrees. It was 26 last night. Oh, and we are toasty in here. Let me tell you, this is great. So we're having the chimney swept on Tuesday, so we're going to be able to do fires in the fireplace again, and we're having the furnace serviced and revised and, you know, cleaned up for the season, sometimes next week too. So we're pretty much on top of our game right now at this household, which is a good thing. So I'm gonna have breakfast first. I don't even know what time it is. It's 10:26. I'm a little behind, right? Well, I just walked the dogs. So I'm gonna have breakfast and then I'm gonna show you what the house looks like. And I'm gonna start working. So this is what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna clean the garage. Yes, Fiona, I'll be right there. She wants to go out again. I'm gonna clean the garage gutters. I'm going to sweep the whole driveway. I'm gonna rake the whole backyard and clean up here and there. That may be enough work. Then in the next video I'll do the deck and then I'll do the front. So you're gonna see the house being completed but with very bad looking yard, front yard and backyard. That's okay because it is what it is. Okay, you guys, here's the house. It is done. I still have work to do on the outside, but here is the front of the house. And we got the patch of the roof that was all messed up over there that's been fixed. Like I said earlier, they finished the whole job on Thursday. So today, well, tomorrow I got to do all of this here and winterize, and I have to cut these down and pick up all of the leaves. But I just want to show you the house and what it looks like once it's finished. So the door, we haven't decided yet what we're going to do with the door. It's probably going to be replaced at some point, hopefully in a few weeks. The deck here, the porch, I need to sand it in the spring, and it's going to be stained in mahogany. And then all of this here on top is going to be stained in mahogany, and same thing with the swing. So this is all going to be wood. So all of these things here need to be pulled away. And here is the side. So they give us new downspouts because they were kind of busted. This is all done. I really like what they did here with the window frames. This has to be painted. This is the vent for the tank, the oil tank. This is the new vent. We couldn't find a brown one, and gray looked kind of meh. So this is the new vent for the washer and the dryer downstairs. We have a new spout here. You see how they did all the soffit? And then we have a bathroom vent finally that works for our bathroom. And here's the back, and they did the same thing here. All the windows have been recapped and framed. All of this here I need to clean. That's probably going to be tomorrow, maybe today, I'm not sure. And this is the chicken coop that's been done. I'm going to give you a view from further back. And by the way, the red doesn't look bad at all now, does it? I may do this color for the front. I can't remember if it was wine or something. We got the ring reinstalled, not in the front. I gotta do that. Maybe that's one of the things I'm gonna do this weekend. And garage, we still need to replace the doors, but the garage is done. I have to clean up all of this here in the back. Windows are framed. They did the soffit. We didn't insulate the garage, but there's all this stuff here needs to go. I gotta clean all of this. Well, we go. Might as well go, because it ain't rain in a couple of days, so I don't have much mud right now. But here's the back of the garage. All of this needs to be cleaned up today. I had him put the spout around and give me an extra length, so I have to put the water or bring the water all the way to the back. So I'm definitely gonna need an extra length. I don't think I have enough. It wasn't too hard to do. I mean, he just had to do some extensions. I have to clean this gutter today, but this is done. And I really like the fact that he framed the garage doors as well, so everything looks really, really cool. I hope I'm not going to blind you, but here's the backyard. It's pretty bad. I know. And then over here you can tell that they removed the air conditioner. So this is done, and it's looking really, really cool. We're loving it. And here's a view from the street. Yay! With the blue house, and then a neighbor with a greenhouse. So I think it looks really neat. Tell me down below, what do you think? This is the new house. So now, obviously, I gotta change the color of my logo now, don't I? So I hope you like the house. We really do. It's a total change in the neighborhood. We basically are the only one in town with this color, which I think is really cool. So we're gonna see if we started a trend. We got a lot of people who stop by and tell us they love the color and how it changes depending on the time of the day and whether the light hits it or not. And it's true, it's a very versatile color. For those of you who don't remember, it's called Sable Brown. It's from Certainteed. It's part of the Main Street collection. They also have it in monogram, but monogram is a little bit more expensive. And then I think they have another premium one after that anyway. So the siding is wonderful. The trimming is beautiful. They did a good job with it. There's just a few things here and there that aesthetically we weren't too happy with. And guess what? They made changes, like that spout and everything. Like when you do your final walkthrough, you just tell them, look, I'm not really happy with that. So they're like, okay, fine. And then they change it, and that was it. So we're done with this. This was a project we've always wanted to have done. We were able to put the money together, we were able to save, and we are so happy we were able to do this. So we still have a lot of work to do on the property. The garage door, the main door, and again we got to do some serious landscaping, but it's not happening anytime soon. Plus it's winter. I don't even know if we're gonna be able to do that in the spring. I may have to wait another year or two, but eventually we're gonna be there, right? Hopefully by the time William is in college I'll have a real yard. We'll see. Okay, now I know where my working gloves are. I'm gonna put them on and I'm gonna start working. First things first, I'm gonna move the cars out of the driveway. I gotta clean out the gutter, and I'm going to clean out the whole driveway and get all the stuff that I just showed you that's behind the garage. All of this gotta be brought to the curb for garbage day. And yeah, I'm excited. It's really cold. It's 30 degrees outside. I think it's gonna be 36 today, Scott.
Yeah.
Something like 36 degrees, so I better work fast to keep warm. Alright, well, it does look like I gotta do my gutters, doesn't it? Let me put some gloves on. Shouldn't take too long. It's not too high. Yikes. Alright, definitely need gloves. Well, I don't think these gutters have ever been so clean. Let me show you the inside. There we go. So this is clean gutters, and I cleaned all of this, and on the side I checked them, threw in 2 buckets of sudsy water in there. They are clean. It looks much better. Alright, so now what am I going to do? Take a break? And I have to start taking all the stuff that's in the back and bring it to the front, clean up this whole area here. So this wrought iron, it's wrought iron, not aluminum, bench I found on the streets, and all I need to do is replace the wood or repaint the wood. Obviously I can't paint it this year, but I'm going to decorate it, and maybe I can do something for the season. I'm not crazy about it, but you know what? I'm using what I got in the house. I'm not buying anything new, and doesn't look too bad. So today's mission is accomplished. I said I was going to clean up the gutter. I did that. I even washed it. I got this whole area here, which you can't see because it's in the shade now, all cleaned out, and cleaned out the whole back on the side of the garage over there. And then I did a little vignette here. This is all street finds, by the way. The rabbit, the reeves, that little tree, and the bench. So what am I going to do now? I have to go to the local hardware store and get some new leaf bags, and probably work on the front of the property, because we're in the shade here and you're not going to see anything. So mission accomplished for today. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.